stage with my two co-partners, Miss Fatima and Mr. Krishna Vivek.
Time.
Yes, sir.
Are we excited?
Yes, sir.
Let's start our
Yes.
anyone of tonight.
Yes,
before
sir.
that, Neelam, from your mouth.
Yes.
मैं तो बोली दूँगा start.
Yes, sir.
क्या देखने वाले हैं हम?
Yes, sir. So guys, in the first scene, we are going to see the scenario of Swarm Mansion. Guys, Swarm Mansion, in which Krishna, who is the most loyal servant of the Swarm Mansion, is going inside the room of Choti Malkin. Everyone, Choti Malkin, and the name of Choti Malkin is Jyoti, and the role of Miss Jyoti is being played by Miss Diya Khari, and the role of Krishna is being played by none other than our Krish, everyone. So guys,
Are we ready?
yes, sir.
We have got hair up to Holly's sister. Well done. Cutie pie. You are cutie pie. She is. Every member of the family. और आगे भी बढ़ेगी. तालियां. Ready are we?
Yes, sir.
Then we have the characters on the stage. Ready are we?
Yes, sir.
Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, and raindrop silence. You will see somebody dancing in the mansion Palash Hill. वो नाच रही है और कोई बीच में आता है. Right, Dev?
Yes, sir.
Start.
shouting? Your English music is playing so loud. It's playing non-stop, non-stop. Apart from shouting, what I can do now?
Oh, Krishna, how many times I have told you? It's not just a music, it's an exercise.
It's an exercise. How many times I have told you? How many times I have told you that you came from good family? You should wear the good dresses, and after wearing the dress, you should sit in front of God and say, "Hey Bhagwan, hai kahan hai tu phat?" No, you want to do dance on English song? Nonsense.
Oh, Krishna, now stop acting.
Acting, acting. Do you know Chhoti Malkin? One day, where this acting will take me. Every girl will fight to take the autograph of mine. You will not get any space for coming towards me. Now only I am saying, take the autograph of mine.
Oh, you silly boy.
Okay, okay, don't say silly boy. Here is your milk. Have a drink.
So guys, 30-second pause over here.
So clap very well. Nice,
Are we connected?
Yes, sir.
Let's have our Chalu Club. But clap के बाद.
Sure.
So he came directly. We have to first clap and then was.
Yes, sir.
So guys, now are you all ready to know what next will be happening?
Yes.
So guys, now Krishna will be moving towards Vicky Bhaiya's room, guys. That means Krishna will be going towards Chote Malik's room, guys. And as soon as he will be reaching over there, he will be seeing that Chote Malik is just sleeping over there, guys. What he is doing?
Sleeping.
And guys, let me tell you, whenever Vicky Bhaiya is sleeping and Krishna disturbs him, at that time he gets very much angry and beats Krishna all out. So are you all happy to see what will Vicky Bhaiya do with Krishna?
Yes.
Are you?
भाई है ये बहुत आलसी है.
Yes, sir.
Very lazy like Salah in the morning.
Yes, sir.
Nothing cows potato. Though very working hard, Salah has become. But this man keeps on sleeping beneath the quilt. उठ ही नहीं रहा.
Yes.
Now Krishna will come और बोलेगा कि छोटे भैया उठ जाओ और वो कुछ और पलट के बोलेंगे. There'll be a reciprocation.
Yes,
Ready
sir.
for the scene?
Yes, sir. Everybody excited for the scene? Yes. Not like this. How much everyone? Very much. How much from the back? Very much. Everybody, how much? Very much. Give a biggest round of applause.
Guys, once more, from our guys clap, please. Now let's see how Chote Malik will be reacting, everyone. So guys,
Oh God, मर गया. Vicky Babu, if you will not beat me, may I come in?
Party level.
Wait.
Don't come in. Otherwise, I will break your leg. You don't even let me sleep in morning.
Well done, Krishna.
विक्की बाबू, एक जने, हमें ऊंची बात पसंद नहीं है जने, ऊंची आवाज में बोलने वालों की हम आवाज छीन लेते हैं जनी.
अरे गधे जाके सो जा. एक तो खुद नहीं सो पाते और हमें भी नहीं सोने देता.
विक्की बाबू, waking up late is unhealthy for the health. अगर लेट उठोगे तो तबीयत खराब हो जाएगी जानी. तो जब याद आएगी तुम्हें तुम्हारी नानी. विक्की बाबू, लेट उठना बुरी बात होती है, बुरी बात होती है. 3 बार बुरी बात होती है।
You wake up late as well and you are lecturing me?
Vicky Babu, if I will not give you the lecture, how you will become the biggest superstar like me?
Now don't disturb me, go.
Okay, have a meal.
Yes. Go.
So clap everyone.
Guys, please hold your horses. May I have your attention, all of you? Yes. Did we enjoy this scene? Yes. Guys, did we enjoy the dance performance of Krishna? Yes. Now I think we all are fit for the next scene. Yes. How much, everyone? Very much. How's the energy? High. How's the energy? High. All of you give a big shout of applause. No. I did not get the proper clapping. I want all of you to be clapping properly. So with me, put your hands up. Now clap. Now answer. So guys, did you like the scene? Yes.
Neelam, business.
Yes. So, Miss Khushi, clap for her. So clap. Yes.
Come on,
So guys, are you all connected? Yes. So Miss Khushi, my question from you. Guys, are we all connected? Yes. From the back, are we all connected? Yes. So Miss Khushi, my question is that Krishna bring a drink for both Miss Choti Malkin and Miss Chote Sahab as well. Mr. Chote Sahab. Mr. Chote Sahab. Mr. Chote Sahab as well. So what was that drink? Can you name that drink? Was it milk? Was it tea? Was it juice? What was it? So guys, may I grab your attention? Yes! Thank you, Miss Neelam, for asking me such a beautiful question, and I would like to answer it like the drink was milk. Yes, the drink was milk. So thank you.
ये जो इंसान सो रहा था यहाँ पे, the person who was sleeping, ये कौन थे? Who was he? First salutation, my dear.
Thank you, sir, for giving me the chance to
विक्की भैया, ये क्या लगते हैं? कौन है ये घर के? Who's he? How he belongs to the house? Mariam.
Yes, sir. Guys, may I have your attention? Yes! So, sir, Vicky Bhaiya is the Chote Malkin of
Chote Malkin.
Yes.
Absolutely. Younger brother of Rajesh.
Yes.
Nice one.
So, guys, now I would like to choose Miss Arshi. Again, Miss Arshi, in this scene, the Chote Malik, the Chote Sahab, threw something at Krishna.
बिल्कुल.
Right? What was that object?
कुछ फेंक के मारा था बेटा. On my instructions, he threw something because the road is going on. What?
Yes. Thank you for giving me this chance.
Everybody, Arshi का भेजा मैं. Come on the stage.
Clapping everyone.
Hit. Arshi को hit बताओ.
Thank you for giving me this chance. May I have your grab attention? Yes.
Well done, Arshi. Are we excited?
Yes, sir!
Let's pull up our socks for the next scene.
Yes, sir!
Are we tied up?
Yes, sir!
Let's get started. Anshu,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So guys, may I have your attention?
Yes!
So guys, as we have seen Choti Malkin and Chote Malik of the house. So guys, now we are about to see the Bade Malik of the house, guys. We are about to see the Bade Sahab. Who we are about to see, guys? And guys, the original name of Bade Sahab is Kumar Sahab, guys. So now Krishna will be bringing breakfast for Kumar Sahab to his room. And let's see the conversation between Kumar Sahab and Krishna. So are you all peppy? Are you all bingo? Are you all excited? So what are you feeling, guys? How much energy you are feeling?
Guys, you have to speak loudly. How's the dog? From the belly, how's the energy? Shall we start the scene? Before that, hep hep! Again, hep hep! Dance, everybody!
And stop.
Oh my god, I am so much late where this numbskull Krishna is. I know what he will be doing today. He will be coming today, making another excuse, Krishna. This idiot, yaar, what should I do of him? Every time getting late, Krishna. I have to go to my office as well. Guys, look at the time. I am getting so much late. Where is Krishna? Krishna, this much late? Krishna, you are getting late again and again.
Saab ji, my stomach was not supporting me. I am under the weather, Saab ji.
Krishna, sometimes you are having loose motion. Sometimes you are having different kind of problem. When you will stop excusing every time, Krishna?
Sorry, Saab ji, it will not repeat again.
Krishna, put your eyes. I have something for you. Show me your hand. It is not that what you are thinking. I have this for you, Krishna.
But Saab ji, what I will do with it?
Krishna, do you know you are an artist? You have personality like Salman Khan. You are having six pack. Yes. You have six pack like Shah Rukh Khan.
Yes.
नूरा फतेह जैसा डांस करता है तू बड़ा कैडा
Coordinators!
डांस really well Krishna. That's why I have given this watch. क्योंकि एक कलाकार को टाइम तो देखना ही पड़ता है because if you are not able to see time
Good.
तो काम कैसे करेगा कृष्णा?
True, sir. True, Saab ji, true.
अरे you कृष्णा बड़ी सीधी सी बात है. Every time saying साहब जी ये भूत कब निकलेगा तेरे पीछे से? When this ghost will come out of your back कृष्णा?
Sorry, Saab ji, it will not repeat again.
अरे यार कृष्णा, you have eaten my mind. Every time saying साहब जी. Like I am getting late and you are coming every time late, coming with new excuses, Krishna. What is this?
Sorry, Saab ji.
Loud. Voice modulation.
Okay, Krishna, no worries. I will like give you beatings again.
Oh, We have not gone to the office yet. Krishna, what happened? अरे बताओ ना क्या बात है?
Janki, every time you are taking side of Krishna,
Well done.
he's coming late every time.
Krishna, why do you come late?
Choti Malkin, my stomach was upset. No one understands the feeling of an artist.
Oh,
Oh yes, one thing I remember, that Naina Bhabhi liked the necklace. But Ravi Bhaiya was just trying to ask money from you.
oh God, why is he feeling shy?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll talk to him. Early morning. Oh, early morning you have spoiled the mood of an artist.
तुमने कृष्णा को सर पे चढ़ा के रख रखा है.
जैसे आपने मेरे को अपने सर पे चढ़ा रखा है, इसलिए
जानकी, but you know ना, मैं कृष्णा से कितना प्यार करता हूँ. That's why I cannot watch him do like this, Janki.
Okay, do not worry, everything will be hale and hearty. चलिए लेट हो रहे हो आप.
Yes, Janki, come.
Ashwan, yes sir. So guys, this scene was over here.
What an amazing scene! Maybe have a thunderous round of applause! Everybody, did we all enjoy that previous scene? Yes! Did you enjoy their dance performance, everyone? Yes! Did you see how they love each other, Krishna and Bade Sahab Ji? Yes! Do you want to see further scenes, everyone? Yes! Before that, let's have a vigilant test. Yes!
Vigilant नहीं बेटा, vigilance.
Vigilance, yes sir, thank you sir. Let's have a vigilance test. So Mr. Mana, stand up, give a big hand.
I'm getting late so much.
What should I do, brother? What should I do?
Come fast.
Oh, why are you arguing in the home? Ravi, come here.
Yes, Bhabhi ji. What happened, Bhabhi ji?
कब तक हाथ पकड़े रहोगे? Now wait, give me your hand.
Yes, Bhabhi ji.
Keep this money in your pocket.
Why this, Bhabhi?
Understand, the necklace which Nana liked, can you make her purchase this? Because she has one feeling to be purchasing one heart. One necklace. Come on, go and purchase it.
Do you know भैया भाभी हो तो इनकी जैसी ना तो फिर ना ही हो.
But Bhabhi, how you know I needed money?
Oh, your भैया will tell you. AG, आइए.
अरे बड़ी सीधी सी बात है.
बहुत आ गया.
Nice focus.
वो धागा है ना, धागा.
हाँ जी जानते हैं कौन धागा.
कृष्णा, उसने है ना हम सबको पिरो के रख रखा है. That's why we are having so much love in our family. That's why we are having so much camaraderie in our family. That's why we are having this sword, which we are having good family.
भैया.
what is going to be next. Everyone, are we all giddy up?
Yes!
Please speak from your belly. Are we all giddy up?
Yes!
Are we all excited?
Yes!
Anchors, please.
Yes. So guys, are you all excited for the next scene?
Yes!
The next scenario, guys, it is completely different. Now we are going to shift from home to the office scenario, where Kumar Sahab has just entered their office, and there he will meet a familiar
Kumar
personality.
Sahab means Rajesh Khanna by hair citing reference.
Yes, sir. And he will see a familiar personality, and that personality, guys, is none other than Chaudhary Sahab, everyone. And he has come up with a great proposal. So, guys, are you all excited to see what proposal he has brought?
Chaudhary Sahab कौन है नीलम? कौन है Chaudhary Sahab बताइए?
So, here the Chaudhary Sahab, everyone. Here, he is a friend. He is a very close
A
friend.
comrade, a friend.
Yes, sir. A pal, a comrade, a friend, a very dear, close friend, close-knit friend. And here, he has brought one offer for to improve their relationship with Kumar Sahab. He has brought one offer.
कहते हैं ना कि दोस्ती को जब रिश्तेदारी बदल दो तो
Yes,
when
sir.
friendship turns into matrimony,
Yes, sir.
what happens? Sparkling effect happens.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And we are going to see that sparkling effect only. So, guys, are you all entranced? Yes. So much. Very much. So much. Very much. That's your time of the
Guys, not like this. Clap again. Come on. Every coordinator will be helping us. Every member of English Cafe will be supporting us while cooperating, everyone. Have you understood?
Yes.
Backward, everyone. Abdul sir, kindly take the charge. Make people come up. And everyone, what are you feeling right now? High octane, everyone?
Yes.
High octane, energy, enthusiasm, synergy, everyone. So with me, hands up, please. Hands up, please. Clap, everyone.
One, two, three, start.
आइए चौधरी साहब, आइए, कैसे आना हुआ?
I heard that you are participating for the elections.
जी चौधरी साहब, I am standing in election, but you know that Mr. Dhanraj is also there. He has been winning election for last 8 years. चौधरी साहब,
Don't worry, Kumar Saab, I am here. Your 2 votes are fixed. One's mine and second yours.
धन्यवाद चौधरी साहब. Let's have further more meeting in our cabin, चौधरी साहब.
Yes.
Come on, have a seat, please.
So clap, everyone. Guys, now. You all are going to see. मेरे साथ ऐसे करो. You all are going to see. What are you buying? You all are going to see the scenario of office. What are you buying? The scenario of office. जहाँ पर बड़े-बड़े लोग आएंगे. Who will be coming, everyone? बड़े-बड़े लोग. हाँ. Who will be? हाँ. Baby, Karina. हाँ. Clap, everyone. Come on.
Kumar
Yes,
Saab.
when you know the people standing here, the chairs are needed, then at least provide the stuff well in advance so that the time is not wasted.
Yes.
Right. Sana is well trained over these years when she can handle the gap. देखिए किसने क्या किया?
Yes.
आप भी गैप को थोड़ा यूटिलाइज करना चाहिए.
Yes.
Are we connected?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, start.
Kumar Saab, from last few days, I am thinking something.
What चौधरी साहब, आप क्या सोच रहे हो?
Kumar Saab, you know my son Rahul very well.
राहुल?
Yes.
जी चौधरी साहब, I know him very well.
Yes. So I was thinking about that your sister Jyoti and my son Rahul should get engaged. What are you thinking, Kumar Saab?
चौधरी साहब, बस मैं यही सोच रहा था कि like in such a short time, Jyoti grew up so much.
Kumar Saab, let me tell you one thing. लड़की और पेड़ को बड़े होने में कुछ ज्यादा समय नहीं लगता.
चौधरी साहब, you are right, but मेरी एक जिम्मेदारी है that I have to ask question from my family that वो खुश है और नहीं, and specially I have to ask this thing from ज्योति कि उसका क्या ख्याल है इस रिश्तों को लेके चौधरी साहब।
No worries, Kumar साहब, take your time.
थैंक यू चौधरी साहब, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Beautiful. Well done.
Everyone, may we give a biggest round of applause? Guys, wait. From the back, please. From here, are we guys selected? Yeah. Are we guys enthralled? Yeah. Did we hear the conversation between Chaudhary Sahab and Kumar?
Chaudhary साहब and guys Kumar साहब.
Did you hear the conversation, guys? Yeah. They were talking something very important with each other. And you will be seeing in the further scenes what is going to happen. Should I unravel the scenes? Yeah. Not at all. I will not be breaking the ice of yours. Are you guys excited? Yeah. Again, give a biggest round of applause.
Are we connected?
Yes, sir.
Now, anchors, next scene.
Yes. So guys, may I have your attention?
Yes.
So guys, may I have your attention? So guys, now the scene will be shifting to the Swarg mansion once again, where Krishna is climbing down the stair, guys. Krishna is,
Climbing down the stairs.
and suddenly he will be bumping into Jyoti, guys. And then he will be asking Jyoti for a small help so that Jyoti can drop Krishna to the office of Kumar Sahab, guys. To the office of
Kumar.
And there he will be delivering the lunch to Kumar Sahab. Have you all understood?
Yes.
कुमार साहब खा रहे हैं खाना नीरज। He is eating the food. अब खाना खाते खाते बच्चा पार्टी तालियां। खाना खाते खाते पहुंचता है कृष्णा और वो कहता है सामने वाले को कहता है he speaks to the others who are sitting attending meeting attending information of कुमार साहब कहता है आपको भूख लगती don't you feel hungry
Yes, sir.
यहाँ कुछ कबाड़ा हो जाएगा
Yes.
something bad will happen it's a deep intense emotional scene खुशी where we will take you to the past
Yes,
ये छोटा बच्चा कहाँ से मिला
Yes, sir. So guys, are you all baby? Are you all bingo? Are you all juicy? Are you all enthusiastic? So shall we start? Shall we start? Give a huge round of applause, guys.
Nobody will be talking in the class. When any coordinator is speaking, kindly focus everyone. Kindly pay heed to them. Now guys, give a time to clap again. Now the scene will be starting.
Sana,
Will be
yes.
कीजिए आप लोग. Come on, raise your hand. Now, tell me, who is playing the role of? Who is playing the role of the person who put the proposal?
Sorry, thank you for that. Sorry for that and thank you very much. Are we connected?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3 and stop.
ला 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 ए गरीब के मुसाफिर हमको भी साथ ले 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 हमको भी लिफ्ट दे 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 अरे ओ
I'd like to stop this scene again. Round of applause, everybody.
Clap it up.
Guys, roll your
All have to clap properly. Give a big hand.
Ready, are we?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3 start.
ओ गरीब के मुसाफिर हमको भी साथ ले 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 हमको भी लिफ्ट दे दे दे
La 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 la.
अरे ओ छोटी मालकिन
What do you want now, Krishna?
I want lift
But why? I'm going with my friends.
I want to go to the office of बड़े साहब जी।
Oh, you want lift from me?
Yes.
Okay, come first. I don't have time for you.
You don't have time. I am also don't have time. Bhabhi ma, Bhabhi ma.
So guys, let's give a huge round of applause.
Everyone, give a biggest round of applause. Now guys, please focus towards the stage. So guys, may I have your attention? Yes. Are we all connected? Yes. Are we all enthralled? Yes. Did you like Krishna's song? Yes. How much? Very much. How much? Very much. Yes. Guys, did you like the way he was jumping on the floor? Yes. The way he was jumping, it was mesmerizing. For him, give a biggest round of
Sorry, Miss Lily, I'm sorry to be interrupted. Yes. Guys, one thing. Which song you were singing? कौन सा वाला गाना गा रहा था? कौन सा वाला? Can we sing together? Sing together. Come on. अरे 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 हमको भी साथ दे दे, हमको भी साथ दे दे. नहीं देंगे तालियां.
Charlie, ready are we?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. Start.
Hello, Nagpal. Hello, Mr. Shwat. Have your seat, Nagpal.
Guys, let me start this again.
Guys, not like this. Again, clap, everyone.
Guys, what is happening with you all? Please give a biggest round of applause. I'll tell you all will not be clapping. We will not be moving further. Give a biggest round of applause.
1, 2, 3. Characters whosoever who come on stage, kindly be loud and energetic. Speak from the belly. Start.
Hello, Nagpal.
Hello, Kumar Sahab.
Have your seat, Nagpal. Nagpal, as you know that we are getting big contract for Ajanta Garment, and I have to like specially make new contract for co-workers, and I think हमें इन्हें कुछ benefit भी देना चाहिए, Nagpal. We should give them some of the benefit they need. So what's your take on it, Nagpal?
That's fine, sir. But we need a raw material in bulk to complete such a huge contract. I mean to say, we need finance.
अरे Nagpal, finance is not the problem. Borrow as much as money from the market. We don't have any problem for the money, Nagpal.
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram.
Krishna, sweating this much?
Sir, साहब जी, I came by a car.
After coming by car, you are sweating this much?
साहब जी, छोटी मालकिन की गाड़ी में आया हूँ.
अरे Krishna,
Okay साहब जी, have a food.
Krishna, are you not able to see मैं काम कर रहा हूँ इधर? I am having an important meeting, Krishna.
साहब जी, nothing is important apart from food साहब जी.
Krishna, अगर काम नहीं करूँगा तो खाऊंगा क्या?
साहब जी, अगर खाओगे नहीं तो काम क्या करोगे?
That is also right, Krishna.
Yes साहब जी. Sir, आपको भूख नहीं लगती? You may also take the lead.
नहीं नहीं, sir. I would like to say, एक मामूली से नौकर को इतना सर पर चढ़ाना ठीक नहीं.
नागपाल, किसी को एक भाषा सीखने के लिए 6 महीने और किसी को 60 साल लग जाते हैं. ये मेरा नौकर नहीं, ये मेरा भाई है.
तालियां.
I am having so much love with my Krishna. How dare you to say to my brother like this, Nagpal?
I'm sorry, sir. पर आपने बताया नहीं, कृष्णा आपका है कौन?
Good job. Super.
साहब, कृष्णा एक अनाथ है साहब, जो इन जैसे भगवान को 18 साल पहले मिला था साहब.
So guys, please.
Stop. मुलाकात कराएं?
Yes, sir.
Let me make you meet to that young kid जिसको किसी ने नहीं सहारा दिया. He was not being held passive voice by anyone. But he, Ahed Zahed, दूसरी दुनिया, held the hands of somebody. किसी और ने उसकी मदद की. Start.
बेटा, what happened? तुम्हें और कुछ चाहिए खाना?
नहीं बड़े साहब, इस बच्चे की तो आदत है सबका हाथ पकड़ना. जब भी ये बच्चा किसी बड़े आदमी को देखता है तो उसका हाथ पकड़ने की कोशिश करता है, मगर किसी बड़े आदमी ने आज तक उल्टे में इसका हाथ नहीं पकड़ा.
बेटा, I take all the responsibility of yours.
Yes, sir.
अब रुलाएगा क्या?
कृष्णा, अब रुलाएगा क्या? कृष्णा, don't cry. कृष्णा, बैठ. कृष्णा से. कृष्णा, तुझे पता है ना मैं तेरे से कितना प्यार करता हूँ. Then also you are crying, Krishna.
साहब जी, in my dark and dead situation, no one has just held the hand of mine. But you are in front of me. You are God for me. Thank you, साहब जी.
Krishna, Krishna.
Guys, everyone, Talia, Talia. Okay, guys, with me.
अब हो जाए तैयार गाना आज सुनने के लिए? Now it's high time that people should see the dance.
Yes, sir.
May we have the biggest tango clap for Miss Yachika?
Guys, not like this. You're the biggest one in the world.
Everybody. Sorry, sir. So, guys, everyone, may I have your attention?
Yes.
As sir was asking, what is the meaning of dhoti in English? धोती को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं सर? Come on, sir, everyone. What is the meaning of dhoti? Please, wait, cut. What? Hurry, cut. Silent. Please, who will tell me the answer? Miss Radha, clap and Come on, Radha.
Everybody know may have insurance?
Yes.
Thank you, Miss Sana, for this transfer. We call dhoti in English, that is lime cloth.
What, everyone?
Line clothes.
What, everyone?
Line clothes.
So, guys, with me, give a tango clap, everyone.
Everyone, may I have your attention? Yes. Guys, did you see?
Are we connected?
Yes.
May we have a tango clap for Tanmay? He's come to see and encourage our role play. Come on, not like that, right? And my ex-student Sakshi as well. Most of you must be not knowing him. Talia.
So clap,
ज्योति को अब अपनी बहनों को, सहेलियों को फिल्म दिखानी है.
Yes,
She
sir.
wants, yes, her companions, her sakhis, her pads to be watching a movie. She resembles Diya Khadi in some ways.
Yes.
जीके से आई हूँ अपनी बहनों को फिल्म दिखाऊं. Now let's see if it happens or not.
Yes, sir.
1, 2.
So guys, are you all happy?
Yes!
Are you all excited?
Yes!
Are you all bingo?
Yes!
1, 2, 3. Start.
Oh God! Again houseful. छोटी मालकिन मार देगी जान से. जब से ये अमिताभ जी आए हैं, every time houseful, houseful, houseful. Since 8 years I'm seeing this thing. Now what should I do now? छोटी मालकिन को मार ही देगी आज जान से. Oh, now who will save me? साहब जी is also not here. हे भगवान, बचा लेना बस आप.
Stop.
La 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 la
Out.
la la la.
अरे ज्योति, it's a house full यार.
Oh, thank God! In advance, I already sent Krishna for buying the tickets. I hope he will get the tickets. Oh, you don't know Krishna. He's a very intelligent boy. But where is Krishna? कहीं दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. Yes, but where is Krishna? 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 What are you doing here, Krishna?
Nothing, छोटी मालकिन, nothing.
Nothing? What happened to you?
Nothing happened, छोटी मालकिन, nothing happened. Whatever had happened because of this man, अमिताभ जी. 8 सालों से राज कर रहे हैं.
But Krishna, where is my tickets?
छोटी मालकिन, मैं यहाँ आया, आती देखा, हाउसफुल, हाउसफुल, हाउसफुल. Since 8 years, I'm just seeing this only.
You mean you didn't get the tickets?
और अपने मुंह से कैसे बोलूं छोटी मालकिन?
अरे ज्योति, तुम्हारे कृष्णा ने तो सारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
अरे ज्योति, तुम्हारे कृष्णा ने सारा मूड खराब कर दिया. घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर.
Familiarity breeds contempt.
छोटी मालकिन, you want to see the movie only? आप एक टिकट से एक इंसान को देखते, बट मैं फ्री में 3 इंसान एक साथ दिखाऊंगा.
No, Krishna.
वो कैसे?
ऐसे.
के सारे हीरो फिल्मों के सारे हीरो यही तो था एक हीरो जिसके आगे मैं जीरो बाकी फिल्मों के सारे
Let's stand for this beautiful masterpiece. भी देंगे पानी का, डोंट बी वरीड, आफ्टर दिस सी।
So guys, are you all excited? Yeah! Now girls, please let them know that what is going to happen.
So guys, may I have your attention?
Tushu, your mama. Let it shh, right?
So guys, let's give a beautiful applause.
Clap everyone!
Now focus.
So guys, may I have your attention?
Yeah.
May I have your attention?
Yeah!
So guys, now moving further, we are about to see that everyone is eagerly...
Hang on.
Wait!
Guys.
They just,
Guys.
people behind, Asif all good?
Yes!
Well done, Ishan, thank you, Hamad. Great job, beta, everybody. There, Chandan, good job, Vinayak, Vijay. Nice. Now start.
So guys, may I have your attention?
Yes!
So guys, now moving further, we will be seeing that everyone is waiting for Kumar Sahab eagerly on the dining table, guys. Guys, their mouth is watering, yet they are not eating food to show the homage, guys. And as soon as Kumar Sahab will enter, he will be telling a very mammoth, a big surprise to Jyoti and every family member, guys. So guys, are you all peppy and eager to know what is the surprise?
Yes!
Are you all excited?
Yes!
Are you all excited?
Yes!
Miss Shifa, what are your expectations?
My expectation is high for this role play. Everyone clap your
Chali. 1, 2, 3. Anshuman, क्या देंगे? नीलम, what are you?
Yes.
So guys, may I have attention? Yes! Are you educated? Yes! Here, guys, here. Now you will see the love in this scene.
बेटा नीलम wait ये आपकी ऑडियंस जो खड़े हुए वो तो कंट्रोल में the only people who can conquer you and captivate you is kiddos
Yes.
उनको कंट्रोल करना है
Yes, sir.
yes बेटा इधर देखो नीचे देखो look at that
So guys, may I have attention? Yes! From the kiddo side, may I have attention? Yes! You like the dance? Yes! You like the dance?
Yes!
Obviously yes, because
मैंने कहा था नीलम की डांस will be recommended
Yes, sir!
ये है star this is the star
Yes, sir. And after having this great performance, now we are going to see the love and affection of a family, that how they will respect.
बच्चों ये family टूटने वाली है it's about to be broken
Yes, sir. But before that, we are going to see that how they are giving the respect to the Kumar Sahab, everyone, and they all are waiting very patiently for him. Guys, kiddos, all the kiddos, they are waiting, and there is one little kiddo. Who
बेटा
So guys, may I have your attention?
Yes!
Basically, guys, everyone is waiting for Kumar Sahab at the dining table. And as soon as Kumar Sahab will enter, everyone will get a big surprise, guys. Because Kumar Sahab has got a big mammoth surprise for Jyoti.
मेहमान मैंने बहुत बड़ा
Yes, sir. So are you all happy to know the surprise?
Yes!
Are you all excited?
Yes!
Sir, we got it.
1, 2, 3 put all your ears to the ground
Yes, sir!
start
Guys, for them, give a biggest round of applause. Guys, not like this, give a big hand.
1, 2, 3 and start attack
Oh God, Krishna,
Jeez,
when your brother will be coming? अभी तक आई नहीं है वो.
I don't know, Bhabhi Ma, when he will come.
हे भगवान. ना जाने कब आएंगे वो. Come on, don't sleep. He's about to come. Come on, wait.
अरे भैया I have told you so many times कि मेरे बिना खाना खा लिया करो but none of you have to listen to me.
भैया has it ever happened we have eaten our food without you? सूरज कभी पश्चिम से उगा है क्या भैया?
और भैया ना ही कभी निकलेगा.
आइए साहब जी आइए, इतनी जल्दी थोड़ा और लेट आ जाते, everyone will sleep like Tinku only.
Krishna, come on.
भाभी माँ 3 बार खाना गर्म करा, 3 बार।
कोई बात नहीं कृष्णा।
Nice one, nice one. साहब जी के लिए 3 बार खाना गर्म किया।
Guys, focus.
Now, important information. Let's spill the beans.
Jyoti, now you will be few days member of this house.
Why, bhaiya? Where I'm going?
Arey Jyoti, it is obvious that you are getting married.
What, bhaiya?
You are getting married, Jyoti, married. Sana, do you know Chaudhary Saab's son Rahul?
Rahul? Yes, I remember. I know he's too much handsome. Even he's well read. Jyoti, कर लो ना, बहुत अच्छा लड़का है तुम्हारे लिए।
And he is handsome also.
हाँ कृष्णा।
Like me only.
But bhaiya, I don't want to get married.
छोटी मालकिन, he is very handsome. He is very kind-hearted. And do you know, his face is very handsome also.
Bhabhi ma, please stop him.
कृष्णा।
भाभी,
Krishna, शांत रह. Jyoti, I want to hear your opinion. Do you like him? Do you want to do this marriage or not, Jyoti?
Bhaiya, I don't want to get married.
साहब जी, when girls say no, it means yes.
Bhabhi ma, I am saying please stop him.
कृष्णा रुक जा।
भाभी माँ, I was just defending her only.
Krishna, I said stop.
अगर साहब जी ने सच मान ली ना, आगे पछताओगी।
ठहर जा कृष्णा। Big hand everyone, come on.
Wait. Janki and
Janki? Yes. Janki,
जी?
are you able to see that we are having so much camaraderie? We are having so much love in our family. पता नहीं मैंने अपने जन्म में क्या कर्म करे थे that I got such a lovely family. Like this place is like a sacred land. This place is like a garden of blooms for me. Like it is like a स्वर्ग house. Like you are getting love. सब कुछ मिल गया जानकी मुझे सब कुछ.
Of course, you are totally correct. And you know very well, our family members, our sister, our brother, everybody is having camaraderie with everyone. And तुम्हें पता है ना, our sacrifice has not gone in the vain. You remember the promise of your mom?
Janki, I still remember the promise.
अच्छे कर्म तो हैं, लेकिन ये अच्छे कर्म क्यों हैं? क्योंकि पास में एक कसम थी। There was an oath. इधर बच्चे ऐसे करें। There was an oath in solidarity. A dying mother, Karthik, the dying mother, seeked one promise from the elder brother. See what is that promise? देखो वो क्या कसम थी? Which had put him in a burden, a white elephant. 1, 2, 3, start.
बेटा बेटा तेरी माँ ने जिंदगी भर तुझे कुछ नहीं दिया, सिर्फ जिम्मेदारी को रहा। Also today when I'm giving you responsibility of my children, my son.
माँ, आप ये क्या कह रहे हो? Why are you saying this? Like, माँ, this is not the responsibility which you have given me. ये प्यार है भाइयों का that I am getting in return, माँ. आप why are you saying this, माँ, again and again? I love my brother and sister so much.
I know that my son after having your children, you will forget my children, my son.
माँ, do you think मैं इतना गिर गया हूँ that I will do this thing, माँ? अगर आपको ऐसा ही लगता है, I take oath. मैं आपकी माँ. I will fulfill your
So guys, are you excited for the new anchors? Yeah! Guys, for these anchors, they have performed very well on the stage. For them, give a big
Yes, sir. So, guys, please welcome the next anchors on the stage. Their name goes like. First one is who is very beefy, but she is kind from
Beefy
Allah.
but intelligent.
Yes, sir.
Healthy but intelligent.
Yes, sir. Do you know the strategy of her? She will say that I have not studied anything, but in school she will score 89%. And guys, please welcome.
Please welcome
Please welcome
Miss Soumya and
Miss Dekki on the stage.
में करिए बेटा. Thank you for coming. You have added icing on the cake. रोल प्ले में ध्यान दीजिए नहीं तो कहना पड़ेगा you have added fruit to the Thank you. चलिए चल रहा है.
So guys, as you all have been seeing that what was happening in the previous room. Now in the continuous scene, you are going to see that the scenario of the conference hall. But the thing is that what is happening over there? Do you know what is happening over there? No. It's okay, guys. I'll tell you. Over there, guys, the voting results are getting declared. But do you know for what votings are getting declared?
No.
The votings are getting declared for the new president of this company. So, are you all excited to get to know that who is going to become the new president of this company?
Yes! Everybody knows Kumar Saab.
Yes,
Maybe may not be.
Yes,
क्या पता चौधरी साहब?
Yes.
क्या पता नागपाल?
Yes, sir. So, guys, for this scene, let's have a big hand clap.
Let's have the man members characters on the stage.
Characters, please.
Everyone, are we all excited for the continuation scene? Are we all excited? Yes. Guys, are we all giddy up? Yes. How's the toast? High. Oh, again, give a thunder sound.
Now, guys, focus.
Why I didn't say start? Because the scene had to start like this.
Yes, sir.
Now start.
Silence, 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 silence. Now, as you all are aware that why you are gathered here, because a new president of the company will be announced. And as you all know that this year two candidates will be two candidates will be participating for the election.
Well done.
And first is Dhanraj, Mr. Dhanraj,
Raj.
who is the president of the company since last 8 years. And the second candidate is Mr. Kumar Saab, who is participating for the first time.
पहली बार तालियां.
And now let me declare the results. I am very shocked with the results
Foxed. Very good.
because Mr. Dhanraj has got only 11 votes this year, where on the other hand,
Good
Kumar Saab has got 13 votes.
Somebody's pocket has been pinched.
So now I want our ex-president of the company, Mr. Dhanraj, that he congrats our new president of the
Why
company
place the garland?
by placing the gun.
Your Abdul sir.
See the facial experiment, guys. Guys, listen.
Wait, facial expression.
I hope you will be doing your work very faithfully.
Sure. Yes, Dhanraj साहब, I will be fulfilling my duties of this chair. जो भी चीजें हैं वो मैं जरूर पूरी करूंगा धनराज साहब.
Congratulations.
Thank you धनराज साहब.
Wait.
तरीके से भेजेंगे.
Guys,
This is wait. हटाओ.
focus everybody.
Who's Nana?
Yes.
Nana Ram.
कैसे नहीं था? Are we connected?
Yes, sir.
Ready are we?
Yes, sir.
Nana गई?
No, sir.
Miss Nana Kali.
Nana, how come at 8:50 or 8:55? Didn't you tell that the program will be long lasting? 9:30 से पहले छुट्टी नहीं होगी. This is the one.
So clap everyone.
Let's have a round of applause.
Everyone, may I get you all?
Yes.
May I have your attention, all of you?
Yes.
Guys, did you enjoy the previous scene?
Yes.
Did you see the facial expression?
Yes.
So guys, are you all excited for the further scene?
Yes.
How much, everyone?
Very good.
Ahmed Reza, how much?
Very good.
Only Ahmed Reza, how much?
Very good.
Well, give a big hand, everyone!
हमारे और गाना भी बाकी है. तुम सचिन के घर वो भी हमारे हमको गाना दिखाना है. Show that song. Start next part.
So guys, now in the previous scene, as you all have seen that who is the new president of the company. So guys, can you tell who is the new president?
But before that, guys, maybe have an encouraging clap for this man. It's been only 30 days or maybe less than that, and see his performance.
Yes, sir.
Noor Ali,
Yes sir.
great performance.
Yes.
1 महीना 2 साल performance देखिए. आलिया.
So guys, can you tell me who is the new president of the company?
Yes.
So guys, the new president of the company is Umar Saab. And guys, now in this scene, we all are going to see that how Mr. Dhanraj, who is the ex-president of the company, is jealous from Kumar Saab. And now you all are going to see a small conversation between Mr. Dhanraj and Nagpal. So guys, are you excited to see the conversation?
Yes.
We are interested to know that who's Nagpal.
Yes, sir. Guys,
Nagpal कौन है?
guys, may I have your attention?
Yes.
Guys, I want
The boundary of the board है.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So guys, may I have your attention?
Yes.
Guys, basically, the Nagpal was Tankot, everyone, Dar Badlu. He was the member of...
Tankot.
Yes guys, he was the member of Kumar
अरहान
Saab.
काम तो करता था कुमार साहब के साथ, लेकिन धोखा दे गया उसको.
Yes sir.
And he used to take money from Dhanraj.
Yes sir.
Students of Dhanraj.
Yes sir.
Your biggest villain, Abdul sir. Yes.
Come on.
And you will see that Dhanraj and Nagpal are planning something fishy against Kumar Saab. So are you excited?
Yes.
Are you connected?
Yes.
So you turn on.
give a biggest round of applause.
Wait, sorry to interrupt. Ahmed, aren't you listening our
बेटा
voice?
सुनो मेरी बात सुनो. सुनो. We are very listening.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
1, 2, 3, start.
I can understand.
किसी ने नजर लगाई. Are we connected?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Relax, are we?
Yes, sir.
Start.
I can understand, sir, but you must have felt when that chair you will occupy at the last 8 years was taken from you in matter of moment. But what could be done? सर कुर्सी एक बेवफा महबूब की तरह होती है। आज कुमार साहब की है तो कल आपकी हो जाएगी।
You don't understand, Mr. Nagpal, you don't understand. This tomorrow you are talking about, it will come after a year.
Oh, buddy.
It will not come tomorrow itself. और तुम्हारे कुमार साहब को, और मैं तुम्हारे कुमार साहब को बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैं उनसे डरता नहीं। और दूसरी बात ये कि मैं अजंता गारमेंट्स का जो तुम्हारे पास कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, मुझे पता है वो तुम्हारे पास कैसे गया और मुझे पता है इसके साथ मुझे क्या करना है।
You are unnecessarily scared of Mr. Kumar.
You don't understand, Mr. Nagpal. I'm not scared of Mr.
Beautiful.
Kumar. I'm scared of his honesty.
Honesty, तालियां! हम तो आप ही के साथ हैं।
What do you want, sir?
तुम समझे नहीं नागपाल साहब, हमारे गुजराती में कहावत है कि कभी ईमानदार आदमी और सांप को एक साथ देख लो तो पहले ईमानदार आदमी।
तालियां! मैं आपके साथ हूँ।
I'm always with you, sir.
तनख्वाह तो लेता रहा, तनख्वाह तो हमेशा लेता रहा।
तनख्वाह तो मैं हमेशा लेता रहा।
पैसा आपसे कमाऊंगा।
पैसा आपसे कमाऊंगा।
बस यही करते रहो नागपाल साहब। उसके बाद देखना मैं तुम्हारे कुमार साहब को आसमान से पकड़कर जमीन पे ना घिसट दूं। मेरा नाम धनराज सेठ।
ब्यूटीफुल।
So guys, do you enjoy this scene?
Yes!
So guys, now in this scene, you all are going to see that how Nagpal is playing double games with Dhanraj and on the other side, Mr. Kumar Saab. So guys, are you excited?
Yes!
So now, let's see the conversation between Nagpal and Kumar Saab.
So guys, give a big round of applause! Everyone, maybe you'll give a biggest round of applause!
अब आपकी ज्योति को छेड़ा जाएगा।
Yes!
Now your Jyoti Diakhari will be tickled and teased. बेटा, जब एक लड़की को बाहर छेड़ा जाता है जो कि नहीं होना चाहिए, that is called eve teasing.
Yes, sir.
That is called eve teasing. राधा,
Yes, sir.
आप देखते हो बाहर कभी-कभी?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
राधा, क्या आज भी मेट्रो स्टेशन के बाहर एक लड़का यूं देखता है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you see? Have you seen? Of course, I'll be asking from Akasha as well because Akasha has come after a long time. Akasha, beta.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Do you see these withdrawal symptoms?
Yes, sir.
These racial attacks, these gender attacks,
Yes, sir.
when a girl is entering out, coming out, exiting from the metro station.
Yes, sir.
Girl ready to stairs for longer time.
Yes, sir.
15-20 सेकंड तो देखने चाहिए। सिर्फ पापा टीचर देख सकते हैं।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Wait. Don't break my flow reflection.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for this flabbergasting opportunity. Everyone, may I draw your attention, please? Yes! I would like to completely suck up with your statements for every single day. Zillions of girls are getting harassed by the people. Sir, it is not only about the physical touch. It is about the checkout. Sir, boys are having this habit. Even the uncles. Sir, like the whole night, even are trying to check out us from top
Uncle
to the
the king.
bottom. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आप यही कहोगे?
Yes, sir.
That means every girl is facing the very same thing.
Yes, sir. Sir, I would like to say on this topic that sir, girls are not at all safe, sir. In the India, I would say, sir, India is not at all secure place for the girls, sir. Even from the smaller girl to the younger person, sir, sees the girl very badly, sir.
लड़कियों को क्या सावधानी रखनी है बातें बताओ?
Yes, sir.
What safety they should be having? What precautions they can take?
Sir, I want to say that girls can make them feel secure by themselves only, sir. They have to go like they can cover their faces when somebody is seeing you. You can cover
Cover their faces?
Yes, sir. Guys,
चेहरा दिखाओ ना दिखाओ।
Yes, sir.
खराबी तो दिमाग में है।
Yes, sir.
Problem is in the mentality.
Yes, sir. Guys, may I have your attention? Yes.
Mariam, what is your
Yes,
take?
sir, guys.
Your sister is going orthodoxical.
Yes, sir, guys, may I have your attention?
Yes.
I think, sir,
बॉडी कवर करो ना करो,
Yes.
अगर आदमी खराब है तो वो हर जगह देखेगा.
Yes, sir.
If a man is bad, he would rather go and pin down the girl.
Yes, sir.
The problem is in his mindset.
Yes, sir.
Asif, the problem is in the mindset.
Yes, sir.
Mindset has to be changed.
Yes, sir. Sir, I think sir, girls should be.
Yeah, yeah. Mali.
Yes, sir, girls should be learning self-defense, sir. Yes, sir.
Kung fu.
Yes, sir, girls should be. Clapping everyone.
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. And sir, I would like to say that, sir.
Great to see you.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to say that, sir, the girls are the biggest, we can say biggest condition. Like what I see in the like club and lounges, the sir they are wearing the short dresses and
Yes,
doing
sir.
vulgar dance. And sir, why the men are not attractive towards the girl because of their vulgar dance? And
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये कह रहा है कि लड़कियां डांस करते, girls are dancing in the pubs and the lounges.
Yes, sir.
So it's the responsibility of the men. Wow. It's girls' fault, right?
Sir, I think they said right because sir they
When
are.
a man drinks and when he enters the house,
Yes.
when a man drinks Bharti and he enters the house, he knows who is his brother and who is his sister.
Yes, sir.
पीने के बाद उसको उसकी माँ बहन का पता होता है.
Yes, sir.
What rubbish?
Yes, sir. I would like to say that if
It's an exact fact.
Yes,
वो
sir.
क्यों दूसरों के
sir, I want to say that if the like girl is drinking in front of the men, sir, also man is also drinking, and sir they are doing the vulgar dance.
But that vulgarness that person would never be doing on the mother or the wife.
Sir, because man is
Because he
having
can have a
a
self-control.
mind power, and sir, they are having a control that
Man always pounces on the other ladies. पीने के बाद वो आएगा बोलेगा माँ नमस्ते मैं सो रहा हूँ. She's my guest.
Guys, give a big round of applause.
Thank you so much for giving me this marvelous opportunity, guys. How are you all?
Fine.
Sir, I would
Now
like
they know
to
you.
invite with Miss Fatima and Mr. Tanmay, sir. First, change your mindset
वही कह रहा हूँ.
towards the girl.
Towards the women.
If girl wearing the short dress, what is
Doesn't
your
matter.
Doesn't matter. Your eyesight, your like thinking is very like.
Better see, I know for a fact that your feelings will be generated. Different things will be happening, but then you have to control your heart. And for that, people like Hamad are lost. Thank you. Round of applause.
Everyone, give a big round of applause. Guys, everyone with me. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Guys, fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Big hand again. Now, guys, now. Our role is done.
Is somebody missing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
कौन था? लड़कश? बता दो बेटा, मैं बहुत टाइम से हूँ. कोई तो था.
Yes, sir.
आदित्य तुझे पता है. कौन था बेटा? बता दे बेटा. जिसने नाइट ऑफ है.
Guys, are we all collected? Yes. Are we all collected, everyone? Yes. Did we enjoy the previous scenes, everyone? Yes. Are we all excited now? Yes. Now, I'm just take the charge. Take a big round of applause. So, guys, may I grab your attention? Yes. Are we all excited for the next scene? Yes. Before that, I want to ask one question. That did you like the previous scene? Yes. How much? Very much. Not like this, guys. How much? Very much. Guys, now let me tell you what will happen in our next scene. Guys, now we will see the scenario of house. Guys, of what? Guys. May I indulge you all? Yes. Please pay your attention here. Is that clear? Yes.
Let's get started. Ready, are we?
Yes, sir.
Fast. 1, because we're going to be ending this role play with a song. 1, 2, 3, and start.
God call. कहाँ गई होगी ज्योति?
She's missing. Jyoti is missing.
Nana, where's Jyoti? Nobody is picking the call. Neither her friends, nor her best friend. भगवान.
You give her too much of freedom. She does whatsoever she wants. Control,
Stop.
Bhabhi ma, control.
क्या
She is dancing on your head.
What is this?
Yes, it's true.
No, Nana. Our Jyoti is very good, pious girl. What you are talking about? You should be changing your mindset. You should be having sense. What you are speaking enough.
भाभी माँ आपके सर पे चढ़ के नाच रही है, आपके सर पे चढ़ के.
बस करो नैना, बस करो. काफी हुआ. कृष्णा, कृष्णा. Jyoti is not picking the call.
Krishna बचाएगा इज्जत. We will save the integrity and the self-respect.
कुछ कर कृष्णा.
Yes, Bhabhi ma.
कुछ कर.
Guys, 5-second pause over here. Guys, do you know where is Miss Jyoti? No. Guys, be more loud. Guys, do you know where is Miss Jyoti? No.
Wait, I would be telling you that. Guys, you know, on the other hand, all the contrary what is happening.
Focus.
Guys, wait, focus towards me. She is enjoying, guys. She is having children with her friends, with her pals. She is enjoying in the club. She doesn't care about her family. She is drinking. She is having fun. So, but in that thing, something terrible will be happening. So, are you all excited to see the scenario of club?
Deepa, you have really made my day today.
How, Miss?
How?
Yes.
After bringing your friend here.
Okay, Jyoti.
Out.
Yes, now she's very
But. You have to do a favor of mine. You have to do a favor of mine. Deepa, you have a favor of mine.
What do you want, Prince?
Loud.
I just want you to mix a bit of hard drink in your friend's drink.
What do you want, Prince?
I just want to taste the nectar of unopened bud.
Beautiful, Jaideep.
I just want to enjoy it. I just want to enjoy it.
Okay, I will do that.
Malkin.
Jyoti?
Yes.
Jyoti has got 1 hour before.
1 hour before, but she has not reached to the home.
But she has left 1 hour before. I think
मैंने बचपन से आज तक कभी भी छोटी मालकिन की आंखों में आंसू नहीं देखे, और आज तुमने आंसू ला दिए। I will not leave you.
This song is shooting. What is happening here?
Choti Malkin, don't cry. Tear is not shooting on your face, Choti Malkin. Choti Malkin, don't cry. Everyone is waiting at home. Let's go at home.
So clap very hard.
Hey, hey, behind! Manish, Deepika, hurry up.
focus everybody.
Hey God, when Jyoti will be coming? I hope Krishna has gone. He will bring her back. Whitey. Jyoti? Jyoti, what happened? क्या हुआ ज्योति? बोलना, क्या हुआ ज्योति?
Jyoti! Where you have been? Good job, good job. And I am asking, where were you? Where? Where?
There is no need to say anything. My condition speaks for you. Beautiful.
Bhaiya, don't say anything to her. Bhaiya, please don't say anything.
Arey, why did you go such kind of party? Come on. Why did you quit? Now tell me.
Ravi Bhaiya, what are you doing? Sachi, please tell to them. Please don't beat her. Sachi, please.
कृष्णा, ज्योति के कपड़े बता रहे हैं कि उसकी हालत क्या है। कृष्णा, मैं तुम्हारा एहसान कभी नहीं चुका पाऊंगा। कृष्णा, मैं तुम्हारा एहसान कभी नहीं चुका पाऊंगा।
Sachi, don't say this thing to me. Sachi, ये मेरा फर्ज था Sachi. If I will not help them,
कृष्णा!
There are many parents standing outside the gate waiting for their children. I would like to request the person standing beside me, talking block, Gosara Beta, and kindly tell them that we will be dispersing class 9:40.
Okay, sir.
अंकित रुद्र के बच्चे मेरे पास हैं. चलिए, start, fast.
So guys, have you all enjoyed this scene? Are you excited for the next scene? So guys, now in the next scene, we all are going to see the engagement ceremony
Last.
of Miss Jyoti. So guys, whose engagement is going on?
Miss Jyoti!
Yes guys, and guys, do you know that who is the groom?
No!
So guys, can't you remember anything? So the groom is Chaudhary's son. His name is Mr. Rahul.
Rahul Talia. We will be ending our first half of the role play today.
Yes,
आज रोक देंगे. एक फोन आता है और रोक देंगे.
Yes, everyone, are you all excited?
Yes!
Not like this, are you all excited?
Yes!
Romeo, I'm excited.
Yes!
Be more loud. Are you all good to go?
Yes!
Shall we move further?
Yes!
So guys, what that? Clap properly.
1, 2, 3. Without wasting time. There are loads of parents standing outside Deepika. बढ़िया. And tomorrow evening we have no class, students. मैं पहले बता दूँ.
Yes.
I'll announce tomorrow evening we have no class. I'm giving you a relaxation day.
Yes.
आज हमारा role play बहुत अच्छा हुआ है. Next week we'll continue with the same role play. भूलना मत फेंकना. Don't forget to throw. 1, 2, 3 and start.
Sit down. Set it up.
क्या हुआ? What happened? Is everything fine? सब ठीक है?
फैक्ट्री caught in fire.
क्या?
फैक्ट्री में आग लग गई. कैसे हुआ ये? हे भगवान. जनाब